Hey guys and girls, we're going to try and fire up this 1.2 engine for the first time. I've only just poured fuel down the throttle body, so we'll see how that works. So let's try it. Oh, I've got no power.
Sounds like a clutch is clicking. She started, it's not getting power, I think.
Yeah. Strong. Okay. Take two. Wire come off the back of the starter motor. I need to fix that. Let's try this again. Alright?
Yep.
No power. Oh, put the earth on the battery lead. Oh, come on, this is gonna work. I have to pull the positive wire to.
Here we go, rolling again.
Guess not.
Needs more fuel.
Probably. But that should have made it fire a little bit. I'm wondering if the coil packs are the wrong way around.
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Quick swap.
Just swap the two fucking wires around. Come on, you. Laziness, I'm afraid. Yeah, trust it not to just reach. Come on, it will reach. I know, I'm lazy. I can't be able to get the plugs out because them wires are too short.
Yeah.
Chuck a bit more fuel down that intake. Can't believe though, it's turning over. Whoops, that's probably a little bit too much there.
That's its choke.
Yeah. Drink it down. Let's try again. There's something it doesn't like. I'm wondering if it's getting the right thing. I wonder if I'm connecting the relay up to the right thing. Telling it's turned on or not.
It can only be ignition faults.
Because that isn't powering up. I need live. I need live. Ah. Okay guys and girls, this could be it. This could run now. Let's try it. It's gonna run. That's it, that's all I needed to know. That means the ECU works. That means this ECU works with this engine.
Well done, John.
Oh.
Well done. Excellent. Excellent.
That's it! I can't believe that works! Oh, that's incredible. Guys and girls, I've had a struggle getting this running. As you can see, it's dark now. The reason being why it wouldn't run is because oh, I've got oil all over me. That's because clever boy here forgot to put the the auxiliary drive pulley back on. The one that's got the little sensor in it. I'm used to carburetors, okay? I know carburetor cars don't need that to run. This does, with it being ECU. Oh! I can't believe that ran. Okay, I haven't got the fuel lines all filled in yet. There's no fuel pumps or anything on the thing yet. I'm happy. It's alive, mate. It's alive. It's alive, matey. It is alive. There is life in this. That was just a little bit of fuel. I just chucked down the air intake. We've got to hope and pray all the injectors work. Should I be naughty and wire up the fuel pump? Shall I do it? Just, you know, just a little bit. Okay, guys and girls. So we know it runs, okay? I know I said I was going to put that fuel pump on, but it's quite late now. I have just finished building the Swirl Pot. Let me go and get that. That looks really cool. Sorry about my messy hair. Alright, so this is the Swirl Pot. It's made out of a dog food tin. The fuel sender from a Ford Sierra. It's got the fuel pump in it from the donor car that this engine came from. To keep everything original. It's airtight, so I presume it's fuel tight. Hope it is anyway. Probably done a big mistake here, and I've only used 3 pipes. I'm going to have this one's going to return to the tank, to the main fuel tank of the car, the original fuel tank. This is the high flow output, which will go to the throttle body or to the injection rail, and this is going to be the 2 returns, just one pipe that does the 2 returns with a little splitter on it. I'm going to hope that that's enough and that little pump can pump fuel back in. We'll see. If it doesn't, I'll just put another hole in and solder another pipe in. It won't be difficult to do. But I'm using the Ford Sierra's original connectors because one of my biggest concerns was how am I going to keep this thing fuel tight? You know, and get wires in. Say you could use like a sealant or something, but thought about using you know, Tiger Seal or something. But I don't know how well that works with what do you call it, with fuel. So I thought, well, we'll use the fuel sender from the Ford Sierra. This is a 1992/3 Ford Sierra, I do believe. A K-Reg, I think. I think it was a K-Reg. Was it K-Reg? I think it was a K-Reg. Yeah. I snapped up all the float level stuff, got rid of all that, because it would have been nice to have a float in there just to tell me how full it was, but it was pretty packed with that fuel pump in there, so yeah, as you can see, the lid can be pulled on and off. But yeah, so you just saw the car was running in the previous video. It did fire up and it did start with me chucking some fuel down the you know, down the throttle body. Hopefully, all things being well, the fuel injection rail works, all the injectors will work, and the fuel pump will hopefully prime the whole kit, and this won't leak. If it does leak, I'll cry. I will actually cry if this doesn't, if this leaks. I'll be quite upset. I'll be looking for more ways to seal it. But as it goes, I've vacuum tested it, not all the way to absolute vacuum, otherwise I'd crush the tin in, but I've vacuum tested it a bit and it didn't leak any vacuum. I'm not gonna, what I could do with doing really is filling it full of fuel, leaving it upside down, see if any fuel leaks out of it. You know, block off all the pipes. That might be a thing I should do really, just to see if it leaks. Or I could just leave it till tomorrow and see if it leaks tomorrow. I'll do that, I think. We may as well try. But yeah, I mean, look at that there. It's all awesomely made by me. My own design. Anyway, we're going out tonight, apparently, so I've got to go. Changed out of these scruffy rags clothes, get some change into something a bit more decent. And yeah. What else is there to show, guys, before I cut the camera off? I don't know. Welding in the wheel arch has been done, the front wheel arch. So all that needs doing now is painting and undersealing. Paint it first with a rust metal paint, rust preventing metal paint. So I'll do that, and then I will I'll wait for that to dry, then underseal it, and then I could start putting all of the suspension and everything back together again, and get this front end sorted out, back on its wheel again. Jobs I need to do. This is for my future, for my reference, because I do look back on my previous videos. Jobs that you need to do. I need to make the exhaust system fit up to this engine, because the block's slightly taller, so I need to either make an adapter plate or extend the, not the manifold, but the exhaust pipe up to it. We'll see how that goes. Figure that out when I take all the sump guard off. I'm not doing that yet because the car is currently being jacked up with the sump guard. Well, not jacked up, but it's on axle stands on the sump guard. Yeah, that's about it really, guys and girls. I need to get ready and go in the house. I need to get a shower and whatnot and have my dinner. So, yeah. Oh yeah, the seal on this is part of a rubber CV boot, a universal CV boot. And I know for a fact that on Fiat Pandas you don't need this bit. The next one down is the one you need, so yeah, cut that off because I don't need it. And it works great as a gasket for this thing. And it's designed to hold grease and oil in, so it shouldn't technically perish. It will, but it shouldn't technically do it that much. Well, it's a clear night tonight, and I'm going to go. Great talking to you guys and everything. And check out my ice bucket challenge as well if you've not. That's why my hair's a bit messy, because I never brushed it after. It was quite a fun little thing, and you know, I think I would do it again. It was for a good cause, so yeah, I think I would do it again. Alright. Catch you all later, guys and girls. Peace out.